not tell me that you stopped by my channel and didn't bring a drink with you, because that should let you know what time it is. It's time to get into it.
Well. Who do we have here? You, looking like a baddie, looking like a zaddy. I see you. And I knew you was gonna come back because, you know, I be waiting on y'all. So, anyways. Oh, my bad. Sorry I got started without you, but you know what time it is. Go ahead and grab your drink because you are back at what? Lizbids. My name is Liz. If this is your first time here, welcome to Lizbids. If you've been here before, thank you for coming back again, because we cool now, you know. This is how we do. So we're gonna get into it. If you see by the title, today we are doing a Brandon Blackwood unboxing video. Now, if you haven't figured it out by now, one thing about me, your girl loves purses, okay? Period. You can see the collection back. Oh, sorry, wrong shoulder back there. The Telfar bags, which, by the way, if you haven't seen my how to bag a Telfar video yet, don't worry about it. Just wait till this video is over, okay? Then you can go see it. But anyways, enough about that. We're not here to talk about Telfar. Like I said, we are talking about Brandon Blackwood, NYC. Black owned. We love to see it. Black owned business. The owner, Brandon, he is of Jamaican descent and something else, but I don't know what it is. I'm so sorry, y'all. Oh, my bad. But he's so cute. Y'all should follow him on Instagram because he definitely reposts everybody and their bag and their outfits. I love it for inspiration purposes because I haven't actually worn these bags out yet because I was waiting to do this video so y'all could get my, you know, first-hand reaction. I'm lying, I've already seen the bags, but you know what I'm talking about. So let's talk about the packaging, because the packaging really is a moment. I hope this is focusing. I'm so sorry if it is not. But the packaging, oh, it's an experience the whole way through, okay? So we're gonna open this. We have Brandon Blackwood on the cover, right? We have Brandon Blackwood won the dust bag, okay? Let me show y'all this. Not that my envelope is dusty now. Uh-oh. Try, how you open this? Okay. Okay, so there is a nice little copy and pasted handwritten letter that comes in each box. And it says, "Thank you for your purchase. Enjoy your..." Child. You got handwriting like a doctor, okay? Ooh, it say, "Enjoy your new piece and can't wait to have you style it. XOXO, Brandon Blackwood." Oh, period. I can't wait to style it too, child. So we have the dust bag that also says Brandon Blackwood, New York. Hold on. Right? Ooh. Now, when you open your purse, it's going to be wrapped up in the also Brandon Blackwood tissue, but I already ripped that up, so okay. Ooh. Oh, baby. Okay, I'm gonna bring this close. Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna take off all this extra stuff. Look. Oh, I wish I had like a microphone so we could do like a ASMR. Girl. Okay, so I hope that it's focusing. I zoomed in a little bit so we could see some details, but this bag is called the Mini Kendrick Trunk in leopard pony hair with gold hardware. Now that distinction has been made because some of the bags do come with silver hardware, which we will see in the next piece. I am definitely a gold girl, okay? Gold. All right, that's, hold on. We do gold over here, period, gold. So I really am excited to wear this. Now, both of these pieces are from the spring collection. Obviously now it is summer 2021. So I think both of these pieces that I bought will look cute for my summer outfits. But what I really like about both of them is I think they will also transition well into fall. I could see myself wearing this. By the way, I really love pony hair purses. It just makes, oh, it just feels so luxurious to me. So we have a simple clasp right here.
Now, baby, don't embarrass me on camera. Open sesame. How do you... Now, Brandon, let me find out this bag need to come with instructions. Please stand by.
Megan, open the case.
Okay, so it turns out the bag is sturdier than I thought, so I had to do a little tugging, but I got it open, which is honestly good news to me, because one thing I would not want is for this to just be popping open. We have removable straps. Now, I ain't gonna say nobody's name, but you know, one of them other brands, their straps don't come off. So I really appreciate that, because you know, the heavy chest committee, the purse straps don't work for everybody. So I like that we can take them off. Now the inside, oh, we also got one of them little poison packs, two actually, whatever. So the inside, now I'll show you the side. We have the little, you know, stretchy piece keeping them together, so you can't really open this bag very wide. Okay, what we've got here, there is no pocket. I wish I could show y'all this, but it's got Brandon Blackwood New York like embossed in the back. It's really nice. You know, like when you have a leather Bible and you take it to Mardell and you get your name engraved, that's what this looks like on the inside. It's really cute, y'all. If I can, I'll insert a picture of it.
Child, why y'all ain't tell me we were still zoomed in? Y'all was just all up in my throat. Whew, child, okay.
So I unwrapped this. I want to see if I'm gonna have any luck with putting this on. All right, y'all, it's the moment of truth.
Ooh, why are we twisted? Okay.
Okay, I don't want to stand up because the pants that I have on was not meant to be seen by YouTube, but
Are they kitty friendly? Wow.
wow, Brandon, you did that. Wow, yes, I love that. Now, please don't judge me because I would not wear this bag with these pants. All right, just mind your business. So another detail I wanted to point out was that this bag has the feet on them, and they all come with a cover, so you can see here. Okay, it's also gold. That's what it looks like when you take the cover off. I'm gonna leave it on. I'll probably take them off the first time that I actually wear it, but I just want to keep everything intact because, you know. So that was really exciting for me, that the detachable straps do work for somebody with a chest like mine. The details on this purse. Now, I am going to link both purses below. One of them, at the time of my recording, I believe the orange one, is still in stock. This one is sold out. Now, this is the mini trunk, so this is how it looks size-wise. I will say both purses were $165 each. I wish I had got the regular size instead of the mini, just based off of what I like. This is my old phone. It's an iPhone XR, so if you're familiar with the iPhone sizes, hold on.
It don't fit. No, it don't fit.
So unfortunately, that won't go in. So that's part of the reason why I say I wish maybe that I had just paid the $20. It was only $20 extra, $185 for the regular size. But honestly, I felt like I was already doing too much, so I was like, let me just relax. Now, I will say they got Afterpay, or maybe it's Klarna or QuadPay. One of the girls, the new layaway. If your pockets aren't where, you know, you want them to be, you can go ahead and get you one of these bags for 4 easy payments. I wish I had known that before I paid for mine full price, but that's neither here nor there. Let me look at this really quickly. Brandon Blackwood, the letters are on straight. The reason I say that is because some of the girls have been getting, like, you know, irregular bags, if you know what I'm saying. You didn't hear that from me, but, you know, mine came in and it looks pretty good. I think the quality is amazing. I don't see any scratches or any, you know, irregular. Anyways, the purse looks fine. That's what I'm trying to say. So moving on, we're gonna go to the next purse. It's really not in here. Now, Brandon, girl, sis, friend, honey, you cannot spoil me with luxury, okay? Designer, you cannot give me filet mignon, okay? And give me covered legs and then snatch the rug up under me and take me back to McDonald's. Because why these ain't got the covers on them? I'm just kidding. I'm being picky. But, yeah. So this is the Quay bag, the mini and the crop. Oh, my God. I love this. This is so cute. Do y'all see what I mean about how, yes, this is the part of the spring collection. Now I'm obviously going to wear these in the summer. But how, to me, both of these bags would transition well into the fall. I think this would be cute. This is giving me jack-o'-lantern. You know what I'm saying? This is giving me turtleneck sweater dress, you know what I'm saying? With a thigh-high boot. Period. We love a good transitional bag. Period. Now, this one also came with the detachable cross strap. I'm going to spare y'all. I'm not going to put that one on. I have faith in Brandon now that we're good homies. I have faith that that one is going to fit just as well. So this is a functioning zipper. Now, this is not a pocket. This is just for show, okay? We do have, ooh, okay, so this bag is slightly more functional because, you know, it opens like this, and we have, I don't know if we can see, but we have a little pocket here for your gum and your ID cards and stuff like that. Okay, so we have Brandon Blackwood. I didn't point this out earlier. Let's see if I can get it to focus. But we have Brandon Blackwood right there in silver engraved in the front. That's really cute, I think. I have too many bags. Like I said, they were both $165 each. Personally, you can see here, you can compare the sizes. As of now, as of me filming, who knows when this video is going up, but this bag was sold out, and I believe this one is still in stock. But both of them come in different variations. So if this is not particularly your style, the thing about Brandon Blackwood that I love is on that collection, he released 200 designs. You're gonna be able to find something on there that you like. I found a lot of somethings on there that I like, but I was trying to be responsible and I only got 2. By the way, this bag also has like the lip, so there's no zippers on either purse, but this one, oh, it's like a lid, so it'll look like this when you cover it. So nothing should be following. Child, it's past my bedtime. I'm not making no sense. I was trying to say is nothing should be falling out of this purse, you know, if you drop it. So yeah, oh my God, I can't wait to style these. I'm gonna be a baddie in these. So as for the price, like I said, both of the bags were $165. Some people might think that that price is kind of high, but I think for a luxury or designer bag, that price is pretty good. I would pay that much for a Coach purse. I paid $150 for the small Telfar bags. These are really good quality, okay? Like I said, I didn't see anything wrong with my bags. The fabric material girl. Ooh, material girl. Shout out to Santana, but the material is really nice on both of the bags. So I think the price point is really nice. Of course, he is still an up-and-coming designer. If you have not been able to get your hands on a Telfar, but you like that similar style, look into Brandon Blackwood, because like I said, 200 styles in the last collection alone, and I think he said he's coming out with a fall collection. He's working the fall collection next, so if you missed that one, you can go to the next one. When I got up on the website, he sent out the email, and you know, I can screenshot it. He sent out the email that had like all the designs, and I was like, oh my god, you know, let me set my alarm, let me set my timer, I'm gonna be ready. I did all the things that I do with my Telfar when I'm trying to buy a Telfar bag, and honestly it wasn't necessary, because it took me maybe like about 10 minutes to finally choose the bags that I wanted, and I got them. You know, they weren't like sold out. No, they did sell out at some point, but it's not like, you know, when the Telfar drops and it's sold out in 2 minutes and you're out of luck if you missed it. I hope y'all like this unboxing, and you can see both of these purses together. Look at that. They're so cute. Oh my god, this is so me. I love it. Well, anyways, thank you so much for stopping by and watching this video. If you have any questions, let me know below. I want to know if you have got a Brandon Blackwood purse, and if you are planning on buying one, or if you want to participate in the next collection that he's gonna drop soon. Tell me which one of these two bags were your favorite, and follow me on Instagram if you want to see me style them, because I know I'm gonna give y'all some looks, okay? Maybe a little reel or something, you already know. But like I said, thank you for watching, and until next time, my name is Liz, and you've been watching Liz Vids.
You are now watching the reboxing. Because one thing about it, we're going to put these bags right back how they came. I'm putting this shit right back on.
Oh, and then she put it right back on.
Until we're ready to wear them, because I didn't spend too much money for these to deteriorate in any form or fashion. These ain't going on display, okay? No ma'am. Tell me which one of these two's... Child, this white top has me a little concerned. I don't know what this lighting is doing. I don't know how my color is looking. Uh-oh. Child, the baby hairs, we not fixing it. This is a bad bitch purse. Only the baddies have this one, okay? Period. Ask about me.